When is enough? When is it enough for your e-commerce sales channel? When do you have to say, whoa, I need to slow down and take a look? My name is Heather Roberts.
Josh Roberts.
And we're the co-founders of RSG Sales. We help home decor and furniture companies grow their e-commerce sales channel. So when is enough? You know, most people have that thought of, well, is it ever too much? And we're here to tell you that yes, there is a time that it is too much and you need to settle down and regroup. The first time is when you start dropping balls, right? Can you give me like an example? We come across this a lot, but what's kind of one of the number one things that immediately pops in your head?
Well, we have people that bring in new products from overseas, and then the product just sits in the warehouse. High-res images aren't taken, and you're just your dollars are sitting there waiting for something to happen.
Yeah, and if you're not processing your orders on time, that's another good signal that enough is enough. Yeah. The second thing that we have commonly found is if you're in the situation where you are dropping the ball, you need to take a good, hard look at your systems. How are you doing things? What is your process? And if you don't have a process,
then you're in trouble.
You need to make one.
Yeah. Get one.
So if you don't have any processes or systems, you need to put them in place. The last thing, third thing that we find quite common is their team. They need to kind of take a look at A, how do I add my team? Mm-hmm. Or B, how do we maybe realign the team? Or even, unfortunately, sometimes find new team members, right?
Sure. And in most cases, it's very easy to do, but we find the obstacle is time, just not willing to do it.
Yeah. So that's the other thing. I guess that would be our fourth tip. Or the fourth one is you need to make sure you can invest in your business and create the time. So you want to work on your business, not in your business. So what's the fifth one?
Okay. So in e-commerce, it's likely over the last several years, you've had explosive growth.
Oh, yeah.
Now, all of a sudden, your sales are flat or declining.
Right. And that's when you need to say, okay, well, I need to regroup here and figure out what's going on in my business. Yeah. So let's just have a quick little recap. Enough is enough. Like you need to have a regroup time when you're dropping balls, when you don't have any systems in place to pick up those balls, when you need to also reassess and look at your team. You need to invest time on your business so that you can grow it. And the last thing is
you're not seeing sales growth anymore.
No more sales growth. So, all right, gang, I hope this was helpful. If you're experiencing any of these problems that we just talked about, I would love it if you would click that link below, and it's going to get you to answer some questions, and then you can book a call and we can help you get out of this mess. Okay? So, hope you find these helpful, and we'll talk soon.